could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for your praise. But is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me to clean your memories? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind?
Oh. Wow, it's beautiful. We are trekking. I mean, I got an opportunity. Thank you, buddy. Thank you so much. You will be a famous guide. I have a YouTube channel, you know YouTube? So, you will be famous over there in my YouTube channel. Oops. Oh my god, there's a river passing down over here or something like that. Like Parvati River in Kasol. Yeah, even I need a place. Where should I go, guys? For my pee? I really need to pee. Let's go down in the river. This is where I'm going to pee. No, I'm alone. I don't like me people. I like to be alone. Oh yeah. That's completely fine. I mean, I don't like my friends because they're weird. Is it more far? Oh my god. Okay. Alright. Wow. Okay. From there we can see the beach, right? So guys, literally in this trek, you definitely need a guide. If you're coming alone, I would not advise you to come alone because you can get lost in the jungle. Your advisor is here? Yes, and your advisor is right here. His name is Man. I'll provide the contact number in the description, so just contact him. He will help you out guiding, and he will get you also the mud bath for nice price. So do come to Arambol. Oh, you can already see the sweat drenching into my eye. There's so much more going on here, the deep jungle. I hope I don't tear my pants because I don't have really so many dresses. Watch out. Oh my god. I can see people, hear people. Jai Mata Di. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god, this is scary. What the fuck?
No, I come to wrong way.
This is the wrong way? Yeah, absolutely. Pull me up. Oops. Oops. Oh, careful. I want to drag you off because of...
This is banyan tree.
Okay.
2 minutes wait here, then I go.
Okay. So this is a temple.
Pakala boom.
It's beautiful. Let's go into... Can go inside?
Yeah, why not? Yeah, go.
Om Namah Shivaya. Let's go and touch his feet. Om Namah Shivaya. Har Har Mahadeva Shambho Shankar. Om Namah Shivaya. It's beautiful, guys. You can just... Shiva will protect you here. It's beautiful. Respect parents, their opinions, and... Because they gave me freedom, right? See, I like to travel alone. And they gave me choice. They are like, okay, if you want to travel alone, you travel, but you don't do something which is shaming us or, you know, making us like she's not our daughter or something like that. So they told you, do whatever you want. Enjoy, drink, do whatever you want. But be in control and be yourself.
Control means, yeah, I understand.
Yes. And I have to respect my parents. I can't be like, oh, okay, just leave your clothes and just go crazy.
Now
Yeah, always. The video is on. I have a YouTube channel. So you will be famous. Beautiful place, man. Thank you so much, buddy.
no problem, darling.
Really, really amazing. Thank you so much. Hey guys, what is up? And finally I'm here after the jungle has totally, you know, took my hair and everything off. It was like totally an adventurous experience going into the jungle. I literally showed you the clips. I was not allowed to shoot some clips for some private purposes, but I tried to give you my best. And it's so beautiful. I'm right here in Arambol. Finally, look at this beautiful sunset. I'm enjoying it. It's lovely, and I can see the moon also right on top of me. Where is it? Oh, fuck this phone camera, you can't capture it. I don't know. This is where I went inside, and it was super. It was amazing meeting the true tribe of Goa, and wow, it's lovely. I feel like proper Goan tribe right now, and here I'm just chilling with this beautiful sunset, enjoying the view of the sunset. So I will be posting you the time-lapse mode of this sunset in Arambol because it's really amazing. So check this out, guys. I love you, and like this video. If you like it, share, subscribe, and para boom. So I'm just chilling here. I'm just right here. I'm super tanned and I'm just looking at people and they are so funny. weird people. I mean, I just don't like spending time with people because of the same reason. They are so freaking weird. Like, boys checking out girls, girls checking out boys. Is this what life is all about? I mean, that sucks. That is not me at all. It's completely a different vibe. Just have to go to the party and chill with people and exchange energies. Go to the jungle and just enjoy. Not like this. Boo! But I'm just having a wonderful time over here on the beach. Super stoned. Maybe I will drink another beer because I feel like drinking another beer. And there's a beautiful sunset. Can't wait to show you guys the time-lapse mode. Ooh. So guys, as you have seen the beautiful sunset, I'm so happy and relaxed that I'm finally, in Arambol and made this moment, and it's so beautiful. I can't express. I'm a little bit drunk as usual, Abhishekta, PsyGear. And you see the beautiful mountain right behind me. I just went inside the jungle. I can't express how awesome I feel. The sunset is super, right? I showed you the time lapse of Arambol sunset. So do come to Goa and Arambol, visit this jungle and the banyan tree and the super sacred people and the temple on top of this whole cliff. It's amazing, guys. Just love it. Beautiful. And there's on top, right on top of me, there is this moon. Now I can shoot because it's getting dark and it's going to be full moon in some days, and I'm going to see the best full moon in Goa. So amazing. I'm happy to be in Goa. So stay tuned and like this video, share, comment and subscribe to this channel. Support me, and if you support me, I can grow, and if we grow, we can share more content. And even whether you support or not, I will keep sharing my content. That's like my lifetime diary. So I really don't care about how many subscribers I have. It's up to you whether you subscribe to my channel or not. So it's like, completely in your head. I can't help it. But this is like my personal life diary, and you should be really fortunate to watch my personal life diary. I mean, not every person is so open about their life, so I am very lucky and fortunate to show you guys this beautiful place, and come to Goa. I love you all, and my phone's battery is literally 6%, and I think I can't show any more videos. For that matter, I need my phone to go back home. So I don't know, even if I don't have phone, that's not a big deal. But I'm having amazing time. So I love you all. So keep watching PsyGear and see you in my next vlog. Stay tuned and love you all. Om Namah Shivaya. Bye.